Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rehnaz and I'm your teacher Rehnaz. So today we're going to do a chapter named Bahadur Bitto. Bahadur means brave and Bitto is the name of a person. So this is a story about a farmer, a kisan, okay, and his wife and how they show their bravery. Okay, it's also a Punjabi Lok Katha. Punjabi Lok Katha means it's a Punjabi folk tale. Okay, it's a story about a farmer and his wife, and it's a family in Punjab. The couple is from Punjab, and it shows like how she, the lady, the Bitto, how brave she is, and how she fools the lion and the fox who comes into their field. Okay, so let's begin the chapter and let me start the explanation. But before that, if you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon and click on all to get notification every time I upload a new video. So let's start with the explanation. Bahadur Bitto. एक किसान था. किसान is a farmer, so there was one farmer. उसकी बीवी का नाम था बित्तो. उसकी बीवी, his wife, बीवी his wife का नाम, her name was बित्तो. एक दिन किसान ने बित्तो से कहा, one day किसान, the farmer, बित्तो से कहा, told his wife, सुबह जब मैं खेत में हल चला रहा था, सुबह in the morning, जब मैं खेत is a field, मैं हल चला रहा था, when I was plowing the field, तो एक शेर ने आकर कहा, एक शेर means a lion, ने आकर कहा, it came and said, किसान, हे farmer, अपना बैल मुझे दे दे वरना मैं तुझे खा जाऊंगा. अपना बैल, your cow, मुझे दे दे, give it to me, वरना or else मैं तुझे खा जाऊंगा, I will eat you up. Okay. बित्तो ने उससे पूछा, तूने क्या जवाब दिया? So Bitto, his wife, asked him, the farmer, तूने क्या जवाब दिया? What did you reply? जवाब is reply. So here the farmer is telling his wife, okay, there was a lion who came into my field and asked for my cow and else I'm going to eat you up. So the wife asked, what did you tell him? What did you reply? किसान ने कहा, so the farmer said, मैंने कहा, I said, तू यहीं रुक, मैं घर जाकर अपनी गाय ले आता हूँ. अगर तू बैल खा लेगा तो हम लोग भूखे मर जाएंगे. So the farmer said, मैंने कहा, I said, तू यहीं रुक, you stay here. So he told the lion, okay, the farmer told the lion, you stay here itself. मैं घर जाकर, I will go home, अपनी गाय ले आता हूँ. I will go get the cow. अगर तू बैल खा लेगा, like if you eat up the बैल, the cow, तो हम लोग भूखों मर जाएंगे. So we are going to, like we will be starving and we will die out of hunger if you eat them up. यह सुनकर बित्तो को बहुत गुस्सा आया. So Bitto got very angry listening to it. उसने किसान को फटकारा. So she shouted, Bitto shouted at the किसान, at her husband or the farmer, घर की गाय शेर को खिलाते तुझे शर्म नहीं आती? So she said, like, if you don't feel ashamed that you're going to give the गाय, घर की गाय, okay, the cow, शेर को खिलाते हुए, you're going to feed the lion or the cow which we are having at home, तुझे शर्म नहीं आती? Don't you feel ashamed? अगर गाय चली गई, if the guy or the cow dies, तो घर में दूध न लस्सी. Lassi is a drink, okay, which is made up of milk. So at home, if you give up the cow, there won't be any milk or there won't be any lassi at home. बच्चे रोटी किस चीज के साथ खाएंगे? So the kids, how will they eat the roti? Like along with what? किस चीज के साथ? Like along with what will they eat the roti? So in Punjab, it's usually they eat roti and they drink a lot of milk and lassi. बित्तो को एक तरकीब सूझी. बित्तो thought of an idea. तरकीब is an idea. उसने कहा, तुम फौरन खेत में जाकर शेर से कहो कि मेरी बिट्टो तुम्हारे खाने के लिए एक घोड़ा लेकर आ रही है. So she said, she got an idea and she said like तुम फौरन खेत में जाकर, you go into the field, शेर से कहो, you tell the lion, मेरी बिट्टो my wife तुम्हारे खाने के लिए like for you to eat एक घोड़ा लेकर आ रही है. So she is going to get a horse. घोड़ा is a horse. She is going to get a horse and she is coming for you to eat. किसान डरता डरता शेर के पास गया. So the farmer, he was very scared and he went towards the lion. उसने कहा, he said, the farmer said, शेर राजा, hey king of the jungle, हमारी गाय तो बड़ी मरियल है. My cow is very weak. Okay. उससे तुम्हारा क्या बनेगा? What will you do eating that? Like your stomach won't be filled. मेरी बीवी, my wife, अभी, now, तुम्हारे लिए एक मोटा ताज़ा घोड़ा, तुम्हारे लिए for you एक one, मोटा is fat, ताज़ा is healthy, घोड़ा horse लेकर आ रही है. She's getting and coming. So this farmer, he goes to the lion and he says that okay, my wife is getting a horse for you, or my cow is very weak and your stomach won't be filled eating that, so my wife is getting a healthy horse for you to eat. So this lady, this Bitto, she has a sickle in her hand. Can you see? This is a sickle, and she wears a turban on her head, and she goes there on a horse. बिट्टो ने सिर पर एक बड़ा सा पगड़ बांधा. बड़ा सा is a big पगड़ is a turban. So she tied a turban on her head और हाथ में दरांती लेकर, दरांती is the sickle, घोड़े पर सवार हो गई. She got onto her, सवार is she got onto her horse. घोड़ा दौड़ाती वह खेत पर पहुंची और जोर से चिल्लाई. So घोड़ा दौड़ाती like she rode her horse and she came to the, she reached the field. वह खेत is the field, पहुंची is she reached, और जोर से चिल्लाई, जोर से is loudly she shouted. अरे किसान, हे farmer, तू तो कहता था कि तूने 4 शेरों को फांस कर रखा है. So she's just acting over here, okay, and she's saying like, hey farmer, तू तो कहता था, you said that तूने 4 शेरों को फांस कर रखा है, that you have got hold of 4, 4 शेरों is 4 lions, that you have got hold of 4 lions. यहाँ तो सिर्फ एक ही है, there is only one over here, सिर्फ एक means only one. बाकी कहाँ गए? Where did the others go? फिर वह घोड़े से उतरकर शेर की तरफ बढ़ी और कहने लगी. एंड लेटर, फिर मीन्स लेटर, वह घोड़े से उतरकर, फ्रॉम शी गॉट डाउन फ्रॉम हर हॉर्स, एंड शेर की तरफ बढ़ी. शी वॉक टूवर्ड्स द लायन, और कहने लगी. एंड शी सेड, अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, नाश्ते में एक ही शेर काफ़ी है. एंड शी सेड, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, कोई बात नहीं इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम. नाश्ते में फॉर माई ब्रेकफास्ट एक ही शेर काफ़ी है. Only one lion is enough. इतना सुनना था कि शेर डर के मारे कांपने लगा और भाग खड़ा हुआ. So इतना सुनना था, like when this was enough for him to hear, like he just heard that, the lion just heard that. शेर डर के मारे, he got very scared, कांपने लगा. He was shivering, he got very scared and he was shivering, और भाग खड़ा हुआ, and he started running away. यह देखकर बिट्टो बोली. So Bitto saw this and she said, देखो, see, इसे कहते हैं हिम्मत. Like this is what is called as bravery. हिम्मत is brave. तुम तो इतने डरपोक हो कि घर की गाय शेर के हवाले कर रहे थे. तुम तो like you were so scared, such a coward. डरपोक is a coward, okay? कि घर की गाय शेर के हवाले कर रहे थे. Like you were going to give the lion the cow which is in our house, which is our pet, okay, which we use for milk and everything. उधर मारे भूख के शेर की आंतें चटपटा रही थी. Like उधर, like there, because the lion it ran away in somewhere else, and मारे भूख के, लाइक द शेर वाज द लायन वाज सो हंग्री कि शेर की आंतें मीन्स द इंटेस्टाइन्स, ओके, द इनसाइड द स्टमक हिज इंटेस्टाइन्स चटपटा रही थी, लाइक इट वाज ग्राउलिंग, लाइक व्हेन यू गेट hungry, like you have this hunger pangs, right? Like you have like something happening inside your tummy. So the same way that lion also was like very hungry. एक भेड़िए ने पूछा, so one fox asked, महाराज क्या मामला है? So he asked like महाराज means राजा, okay, the king. क्या मामला है? What's the issue? आप आज बहुत उदास दिखाई दे रहे हैं. आप आज like you are looking very sad today. उदास is sad. शेर ने कहा, कुछ ना पूछो, आज मुश्किल से जान बची है. सो द लायन सेड लाइक, कुछ ना पूछो, डोंट आस्क मी एनीथिंग, आज मुश्किल से जान बची है. मुश्किल से मीन्स विद ग्रेट डिफिकल्टी, आई एम सेव्ड, माई लाइफ इज सेव्ड. आज एक ऐसी राक्षसी से पाला पड़ गया जो रोज सुबह 4 शेरों का नाश्ता करती है. So he said that the lion is saying that I come across such a big demon. Okay, Rakshas is a राक्षसी का पाला पड़ा. I came across such a big demon जो रोज सुबह like every morning 4 शेरों को, she eats 4 lion for her breakfast. So the when the fox comes and asks the lion what happened, he says like, don't ask me anything, my life is saved with great difficulty today. I came across such a lady, such a demon who eats 4 lions for her breakfast. यह सुनकर भेड़िया बहुत हंसा. So by hearing this, the भेड़िया he started laughing. वह सुबह झाड़ी में छिपकर सारा तमाशा देख रहा था. He was like वह सुबह like I mean the fox, it was in the morning, झाड़ी में छिपकर, it was hiding inside the trees and सारा तमाशा देख रहा था. He saw everything what was happening. उसने कहा, भोले बादशाह. So the fox said, भोले बादशाह, my innocent king. वह तो बित्तो थी जिसे आपने राक्षसी समझ लिया था. वह तो बित्तो थी, that was बित्तो, okay, that farmer's wife whom you thought it is a demon. राक्षसी समझ लिया means whom you thought it's a demon. आप इस बार फिर कोशिश करके देखिए. आप इस बार, यू ट्राई वंस अगेन, कोशिश करना मीन्स ट्राइंग अगेन. अगर बैल आपके हाथ न आए तो मेरा नाम भेड़िया नहीं. लाइक इफ आपके हाथ न आए, इफ यू डोंट गेट द काउ, ओके, तो मेरा नाम भेड़िया नहीं. सो माई नेम इज नॉट फॉक्स. यू कैन चेंज माई नेम if you don't get the cow this time. So try again once more. बहुत कहने सुनने पर शेर किसान के खेत में जाने के लिए तैयार हो गया. बहुत कहने सुनने, that is like after hearing a lot of time and after speaking a lot with the fox, शेर किसान के खेत में. So the lion decided to go into the farmer's field. जाने के लिए तैयार हो गया. तैयार होना is got ready. लेकिन उसने भेड़िए से कहा, but it said to the भेड़िया, तुम अपनी पूंछ मेरी पूंछ से बांध लो. So he said, the lion said to the fox, तुम अपनी पूंछ like your tail मेरी पूंछ से बांध लो. Like tie your, बांध लो means tie, okay, make a knot. That is like tie your tail with my tail. Okay, the lion told the fox. दोनों जने पूंछ बांधकर चल पड़े. So both the people, both the lion and the fox, पूंछ बांधकर, they tied their tails and they walked. उन्हें देखते ही किसान के होश हवास घूम हो गए. उन्हें देखते ही as soon as the farmer saw him, किसान के होश हवास, okay, गुम हो गए. That means the farmer lost his sanity. Like when he was so shocked when he saw this lion and the fox coming together. वह डर से थर थर कांपने लगे. He got scared and थर थर कांपने लगे. He was shivering, okay, because he was scared. लेकिन बित्तो बिल्कुल नहीं घबराई. But the बित्तो बिल्कुल नहीं घबराई. She did not get scared at all. भेड़िए के पास जाकर उसने कहा, so she went towards the fox and she said, who said the बित्तो, क्यों रे भेड़िए, तू तो अभी वादा करके गया था कि तू अपनी पूंछ से 4 शेर बांध कर लाएगा, लेकिन तू तो सिर्फ एक ही शेर लाया है, वह भी मरियल सा। भला इसे खाकर मेरी भूख मिट सकती है? खैर इस वक्त यही सही। इतना कहकर बिट्टू आगे बढ़ी। So what did this lady, this Bittu had a plan, okay? And she said, she went next to the fox and she said, क्यों रे भेड़िए? Why fox? तू तो अभी वादा करके गया था। तू तो you just promised me, वादा करके गया था means you just promised me and went कि तू अपनी पूंछ से that you along with your tail on your tail 4 शेर बांध कर लाएगा। You will tie 4 lions on your tail and you will get। लेकिन तू तो सिर्फ एक ही शेर लाया है। बट तू तो यू सिर्फ एक ओनली 1 शेर लाया है। यू हैव गॉट ओनली 1 शेर, वह भी मरियल सा एंड दैट टू इट्स सो वीक। भला इसे खाकर मेरी भूख मिट सकती है? वेल इफ आई ईट दिस, इसे खाकर इफ आई ईट दिस मेरी भूख माई हंगर मिट सकती है। विल माई हंगर बी सेटिस्फाइड इफ आई ईट दिस? खैर ओके एनीवेज इस वक्त यही सही। ओके लेट एट दिस टाइम दिस इज ओके। इतना कहकर बिट्टू आगे बढ़ी। शी सेड दिस एंड शी मूव्ड फॉरवर्ड। शेर के होश हवास उड़ गए। सो द शेर गॉट वेरी scared, okay, because he had already thought that it's a demon who eats 4 lions for the breakfast. So when she said this he got very scared and उसने समझा कि भेड़िए ने उसके साथ धोखा किया है। And he thought that the भेड़िया, the fox, cheated him, okay, उसके साथ धोखा किया means the fox has cheated the lion। वह फौरन वहां से भागा। He ran immediately from there। भेड़िया बहुत चीखा चिल्लाया। The भेड़िया he shouted a lot, okay, चीखा चिल्लाया that means he shouted। लेकिन शेर ने एक ना सुनी, but the lion did not hear। तेजी से भागता चला गया। He ran very quickly। किसान और बिट्टू आराम से रहने लगे। उन्हें मालूम था कि अब शेर उनके खेत की तरफ फिर कभी नहीं आएंगे। किसान और बिट्टू द फार्मर एंड हिज वाइफ आराम से रहने लगी। दे स्टेड हैप्पीली। उन्हें मालूम था, ओके, दे न्यू दैट शेर उनके खेत की तरफ द शेर विल नेवर कम बैक टुवर्ड्स देयर फील्ड। सो दे लिव्ड हैप्पीली। So she had a plan in her mind that she's going to scare the lion, and she told when the fox and the lion came back, she told the fox, you had promised me that you will get 4 lions tied to my tied to your tail, and you have got only 1 lion, and this lion is so weak. What will I do eating this? My hunger won't be satisfied. And so this lion got very scared and it ran away from there. And since it had tied its tail to the fox tail, when it ran, the fox was shouting, asking him to stop. But this lion was so scared that it just ran away from there. And then this Bittu and her husband, the farmer, they lived happily, and they knew that this lion will never come back to their field again. So this was the story, children. This shows how brave Bittu was, and it also tells that we have to look at the situation and we have to think accordingly and think and plan accordingly. We should not get scared of any situation. If we come across something difficult, we have to think how we can face those problems and we can solve it. So this is the story. I hope you all have enjoyed and you all have understood. And if you have any comments, please do leave your comments on the comment box, and also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So until my next video, please take care. I hope you liked the video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for all the videos I upload. Take care.